old friend. It's Jaki wintertime again. Don your boots and get your coat on. Chop your wood and gas your chainsaw. And the sauna that was steaming up my brain still remains within the sound of snowplows. On 2-lane roads I drove alone. The bumpy road was nearly froze. In the drive-thru of our Culver's, there's a state boy who is undercover. When my eyes were stabbed by a neon light, I spilled my Sprites and touched the sound of snowplows.
That verse might need a little work.
And in the Superdome I saw 100 people, maybe more. People sledding without snow pants. People voting for Carbonic. People renting games at Family Video. When there's snow, and hear the sound of snowplows.
Take this next verse, Jaki.
Hey, I said the beer's all gone. The stores are closed, the lights ain't on. Take my truck up to the Walmarts. Put 2 6-packs in your car. Grab some liquor and some frozen pizza pies and some fries, and also get some Cheetos. And the people plowed and played with the snowman that they made. The weatherman sent out a warning. Bonac said that it was storming. And the schools said we're closed on Monday and Monday. Now here's the sound of snowplows.